Unlock your creative and analytical potential with Nano Banana AI, your new gateway to intelligent problem-solving and content generation. Nano Banana AI is a powerful, versatile artificial intelligence tool designed to assist you across a multitude of tasks. From generating compelling written content to analyzing complex datasets, its core functionality lies in its ability to process vast amounts of information and produce nuanced, contextually relevant outputs tailored to your specific needs. Getting started is simple. First, navigate to the official Nano Banana AI website and locate the download link for your operating system. Once the installer is downloaded, run the application and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. It's a straightforward process designed to get you up and running in minutes. Upon launching Nano Banana AI, you'll be greeted by an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The main dashboard typically features distinct areas: an input panel where you'll provide your prompts or data, an output panel displaying the AI's results, and various control menus for refining your requests. Familiarize yourself with these key areas to navigate the platform effectively. Let's walk through a basic operation. Imagine you need to brainstorm ideas for a blog post. In the input panel, you would type a clear, concise prompt, such as suggest 5 creative blog post topics about sustainable living. Then, simply click the Generate button. Nano Banana AI will process your request and present you with a list of relevant ideas in the output panel. Beyond text generation, Nano Banana AI excels at data analysis. You can upload your datasets, specify the type of analysis you require, for instance, identifying trends or anomalies, and let Nano Banana AI do the heavy lifting. The results will be presented clearly, often in an easily digestible format, empowering you to make informed decisions. To further tailor the AI's output, explore the customization options. You can often adjust parameters such as the desired tone, the level of detail, or the specific creative style. Experimenting with these settings allows you to fine-tune Nano Banana AI's responses to perfectly match your project's objectives. From crafting marketing copy and writing code snippets to analyzing market research and generating creative storytelling prompts, the potential use cases for Nano Banana AI are vast and ever-expanding. It's a tool designed to augment your workflow and spark new possibilities. Start harnessing the power of Nano Banana AI today and transform how you create and analyze. Visit our website to learn more and begin your journey into intelligent assistance. #NanoBananaAI #AI Tools.